All right, everybody. For 2.2, we are going to start with activity 3. It's a little more of the same that you were doing. So as you scroll down, your scavenger hunt question for this one is, what country is on record as eating the most chocolate? So again, instead of scanning, I'm going to guide you to them so we can speed things up. We've got 3 different articles. We've got an article where the excerpt is The Sweet Lure of Chocolate by Jim Spadaccini. This passage is written by a man who encountered wild cocoa chocolate trees while traveling in the Amazon. He describes how the cocoa pods looked and tasted and then discusses their history. Is this the answer? No. Then we have The Tropics which is the excerpt, maybe like a chapter from The Story of Chocolate. We've got our author, the National Confectioners Association Chocolate Council. Now, that's important when we're thinking about evaluating sources. Whatever is written here is written by National Confectioners Association of Chocolate Council. The National Confectioners Association of Chocolate Council sounds like a big organization that maybe has its purpose exists to support the production of chocolate. So anything that they write is going to be in support of producing more chocolate. It's not right or wrong. It's just important to understand that when we read a source, we know if there is a particular bias or angle that or perspective that piece is being written from. So this sounds like an explanation of the cacao tree, maybe some history, maybe some location kind of information, and then we go to card 4. And this is where we will find the answer. So you're going to read for about 3 minutes. This is written by Carl Ritter and Marilyn Marchioni on October 10th. Eat more chocolate, win more Nobels. That sounds like the Nobel Prize, a very prestigious science or literature or um, contribution award. So read this article, answer your questions while you read. You need to highlight what you think the evidence for these questions are, what compound in chocolate can benefit. Paragraph 4, according to the text, what 2 drinks are good for your brain, and the conclusion. Then you're going to go on to activity 4. Your question is, what is the main ingredient in chocolate? We're going to look through these. This is an excerpt from Dark Chocolate, Bitter Pill to Take from USA Today. USA Today is a news publication. They have newspapers, a news website. The author is here. This is not the right one. Helping you all out a little bit. Can chocolate be good for my health? This is what we want to look at. So, can chocolate be good for my health? This is published by, or answers by, Catherine Zaratsky and RD and LD. So, those letters, if you don't know what they mean, I'm actually going to let you look them up and just do a quick Google search. What is an RD and what is an LD? And do those titles, those letters, tell you anything about this author and maybe their expertise, their understanding, their perspective? Go ahead and highlight your answer to the evidence for your questions in here, and then you can move on to activity 5. Activity 5, our scavenger hunt question is, name one compound in chocolate that scientists are interested in. We are going to hop to, not this one, Sweet Lure of Chocolate. Over to this one from USA Today. We just saw this one. Okay. So this is the one we were looking for. Answering these texts, you are again highlighting to find the evidence for each one of these as you read only 3 minutes again, and drag and drop to match. Pick your answer A, B, C, or D. And then you're going to go to your exit ticket and pick yes or no based on the evidence from the article you already read.